Hey, good morning. Welcome back to Casa.texpina. We are out and about this morning. We are not at the house. Today we're going to a local market to get a little vegetables and other things. This is probably actually the only time you will see Emie go to a market. So let's take a look at what we're going to. Let's see, we'll walk over here and be able to show you the sign for where we're at. All right, so up here over my head you see the sign that says Ayta market. This is a local market for the local market for the indigenous folks here, the Aeta. So they made a play on words and call it Itana. You can look right over here, see, Itana, and that's back down towards where the old Clark Hospital used to be. Actually, if you look at it on Google, it says Clark Haunted Hospital. It's funny, they think it's haunted in there. You'll see a couple other vloggers have walked through and done walkthroughs on it. So let's go take a look. All right, so before I walk across the street, just to give you a lay of the land of where we're at, we are on Clark Freeport. As you can see, we have the large Marriott Hotel here. The new Han Casino and all-inclusive resort is behind this patch of trees here. St. Joseph's Chapel. This used to be, when the base was here, when Clark Air Base was here, this was Chapel 2. Used to be the old commissary used to be here. So now currently we've got McDonald's across the street and the Ayta supermarket, or Ayta open market that they've got here. So it's Itana. So you can see that's what's here on the sign. And with the help of Globe and some of the other hotels around the area, they are looking to expand this in the near future. As you can see here, they're going to have take a look at this. I just noticed this morning. They're doing a joint venture. These are the hotels that are going to be sponsoring it, as well as Globe. And it's going to be, what does that say up there? Itana Agri and Souvenir Market. So this is really helping out a lot of the indigenous folks here. It gives them a nice place to be able to sell their goods, bring it to market without having to, hassle people coming in and out of the stores here. Prior to this place being set up, there's a Pure Gold Clark that's just down the street here, and all of these folks, all the Aeta used to bring their veggies and their stuff in that they're planning to sell in plastic bags. And as you're walking in to go to Pure Gold, or on the way out, walking out of Pure Gold, they would be there, and they're sitting there. Sir, do you want this? Sir, lemons. Sir, papaya. Constant. Almost just berating you. So they the people, a lot of the hotels and businesses here on Clark Freeport Zone came together and established this area that we're going to, and it's called Itana, and it's an open market for them. Not exactly a palenque, but if you get here at certain days of the week, they do have different things to look at. As you can see, it's not just fruits and veggies. They do sell plants, different kinds of shrubbery. You said shrubbery. So they got different kinds of shrubbery that they sell. So let's go walk inside here and take a look. All right, so we got a nice entrance coming in. Itana. They're already getting ready for Christmas. Look at this. Itana, Paskuna. Means we're getting ready for Christmas. They're going to be doing the night markets. Oh, this was from last year, but I'm pretty sure they're going to do the same thing this year as well. Okay. We've got different kinds of vendors in here. Me and Emie come here quite often. And Emmy's already got her favorite one that she goes to. That's our suki here. That's the one they call it when you go to the same person regularly. That's your suki. Morning. So they got all kinds of things here. Yeah. Lychee, fruits, dried fish, chicharron, spices, fresh fish. If you come out here on Friday mornings, they have a fish market set up. So you've got all kinds of different things. Look at look at these crabs. Oh my goodness, look at them. And they're still alive. When you go to buy crabs at a public market, make sure that they are still live and kicking. See? Still moving. You got pompano, big eye tuna, tilapia, mussels, clams, bangos. Oh, tiger prawns. Yeah, they got some huge tiger prawns over here. Look at these things. That's a good size. Look at the size of this thing. That's bigger than my hand. These are good. Miss Emmy's bought these here, and you know they're fresh when you go home to cook them, and they don't smell up the whole house. So she goes to cook the shrimp and stuff, and it's really good. So this is all the hi, good morning. Good. Yeah, only on Friday, huh? So she's like, hi, good morning, mini seafood. And I said, yeah, only on Friday. So they got a little small cut-in area set up here just to be able to sell some foods. A little place to eat in the back. Another one. And then, like I mentioned before, you've got different places to buy the shrubs. Nursery type setup. All kinds of plants here. If you want to do your own landscaping around your house, or you want to put in some new flower pots, they've got all kinds of stuff here. Oh, these are really good for inside the house. If you want to use these plants, they're called spider plants, and it does a really good job at exchanging the carbon dioxide and cleaning the air inside your home. It's a good air filter. Hey, good morning. So see, okay. What they call fortune plants here. They're the imitation corn plants in the States. Here they call those fortune plants. Bamboo, all kinds of ivies, lots of stuff. So really like this place. Me and Miss Emie come here quite often. We're probably here maybe 3 to 4 times a week. This is probably the only market that you will see Miss Emie at. Miss Emie is a bit of a clean freak, germaphobe if you want to call it. So she likes it here because you're not elbow to elbow with everybody, and the food is clean and fresh. Hi, good morning. Oh, looks good. Papaya. Goyabano. Oh, kamote yan. Gabi. Cassava. Oh, cassava. Okay. Looks good. This one's gabi. Oh, cassava then? Oh, okay. Both. Cassava. Make good cassava cake. Okay. So what? Or it's kind of like a grapefruit, or they call it pomelos. These are pomelos. Look at the size of this thing. This is like the big old cabbage balls, or big softballs. All kinds of stuff. All kinds of fresh veggies. And these guys grow this at their residences. Hi, good morning. This guys grow this at their places of residence, and then they bring it in here to everything to sell. So you got a different kind of citrus. You got fresh corn. All kinds of things. Okay. Okay, let's go find Miss Emie and work our way out. Okay, so just walking around. So if you guys get a chance and y'all are walking around, you find yourself on Clark, stop by over here at Itana market. You will find good prices, fresh produce. If you're here on Friday morning, you'll find fresh seafood. Definitely worth the time, and it will save you some money. All right, you guys have a great day. Take care, and God bless. Hello, welcome back to casa.texpina. Well, the weather is not participating today for being able to do anything on the outside. So that means it's all full for a day on the inside. Oh, Miss Emie, not being one for sitting still and just enjoying the day or, you know, sitting around letting things happen, she's decided today is a good day to go clean the attic. Since the attic is not a hot spot today, it's not a sauna. So Miss Emie's up here cleaning out the attic space. Do this maybe about once every 3 or 4 months. Get up here, clean up all the gecko belongings, clean out some cobwebs, and straighten up our little cleaning space. A little storage space that we have up here also, because we noticed going around, we also did, when we had the house made, we did a walk around storage. So we've got, you know, places to put some of the dry goods and dry storage stuff in the house without taking up all of our closet space. So that's what we've been working on. Take a look down here. Miss Emie's staying busy. What's working on, Miss Em? Huh? I caught her working again. She's cleaning out the gecko houses and the cobwebs that are up in the rafters. What was that?
I said a lot of spider webs.
Oh, lots of spider webs, she said. So we don't come up here very often because usually during the daytime this place is a scorcher. It's hot, but thankfully with the Hardy Flex fiber cement boards that we've got for the flooring up here, and about a 3-foot gap between the ceiling for the next floor, it stays nice and cool downstairs. Upstairs, not so much. And as you can probably hear, it's raining outside. We don't hear that too much on the inside of the house. On the inside of the house, it sounds more like somebody turned on a fan. You just hear the whoosh of wind, and that's about it. All right, so that's just about gonna do it for today. If y'all enjoyed the walk around around Itana, give us a big thumbs up. If y'all like to look around in our attic, give us a big thumbs up. If you want to see something else, do a little thumbs down or give us a comment below. Prefer the comments below. Let us know what else you guys would like to see or hear from us. Give us some ideas. So we're gonna cut it off for today and head on out to do something else. So if y'all like today's video, give us a big thumbs up. If y'all would like to see some more of these videos, hit the casa.texpina star right over here and you'll be subscribed. Hit the bell icon notification down below and you'll be notified of our next video upload for your viewing pleasure. So until we see you again next time, have a great afternoon and God bless. Thank you for watching. If you liked today's video, please hit like, subscribe, and hit the little bell icon to be notified when our next video becomes available.